Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel. Today, supported by Huringer.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for GRAUWEIL. Okay, it's like a GRAUWEIL is a ticker name, and a Grower and Wheel is the company name of this particular stock. Actually, there is something unique about this particular company. This is a small cap, and this particular company is into this corrosion resistant. It provides corrosion resistant solutions to big brands like Rolls Royce, including big airplane brands. Airplane, all this, all wherever corrosion resistant thing is there, including ships everywhere. Ship industry everywhere. It provides the corrosion resistant solutions, and in India, this is the only company that is doing this. Okay, and you are lucky that this particular stock is right now trading at a very low price, and at one point of time, if you see the right now what you are seeing is the monthly technical chart of GRAUWEIL, and at one point of time until recently, it was trading at 4 rupees 10 price. Only after people started investing in this particular stock, it was it started going up. But in until 2012, it was trading at 101 rupees and above that. Okay, so something happened. Maybe the change in the what do you say, the policy of the stock. The company or the Indian government or whatever. Right now, this particular stock is trading at 61 rupees 25 pice, and it is moving up. Actually, if you look at the trend, it is making new highs. Though there are some sideways movement here. Right now, it is making in the last since 2016 onwards, it is making new highs. And in October, the stock again is in a consolidation phase right now. This is October 2017, and right now the stock is in consolidation phase. But this is a very good stock, and including there are recommendations from big analysts that we need to that there is a very high future for this particular company. Why? Because first thing is it is a monopoly, and second thing is it is in a monopoly business right now in India, and second thing is the sector in which it is in is growing at a high pace. Actually, in multiple hundred percentage it is growing. Okay, so that is one more thing that we need to consider. So in first thing, the sector is growing, and second thing, this particular company, whatever services it is offering, that itself is a monopoly thing. So these two factors actually guided us to this particular stock, and today we are going to do the technical analysis. How long this consolidation phase will happen and will continue, and what is the chance of the price in the rise in the price of this particular stock. All these things we are going to check right now. Okay, I'm using technical indicators like RSI, MACD, momentum, IDX as usual, and the super trend. Okay, moving averages and Darvas. Okay, now this particular stock is trading above the 10-day moving average. That's what I can see, 10-day moving average, and it is in this green color super trend mode, which is a good sign, and it has already crossed the 50-day moving average, which is another good sign. Now. At the moment, this stock is in consolidation mode. Okay, and how long this consolidation will continue? Okay, if that is the question, then I think if you look at the RSI here, RSI has already picked up and now it is going down. It has made a nice slope on top of the 80 line, and now the slope, the elevation. If you look at the elevation, the tip of the slope, the elevation is declining. Okay, so it is going to cross this slope. Cross this and come below that. That means that is a trend here. So if you see that, I think the consolidation phase will go on for the next 10-15 days further, and only from the RSI point. Let's see other technical indicators also, and finally take a call. Okay, now look at the MACD. The signal line is on top of the red line, and both are diverging. That is a good sign, and though the gap is not that much, but still there is some gap left there, small gap, and the histogram, the bars are populating on top of the histogram bars are populating on top of the baseline, which is another good sign, and they are in green. That is another good sign. And look at the momentum. Momentum is actually lying on top of the baseline. Is make a right now it is in confusion stage. Actually, the momentum. Look at the tip of the momentum. That is in parallel with the baseline. So the price is in because the price is going down. So that is what we can expect, and that is what it is also right now here. And look at the ADX, which indicates the direction of the price movement of the stock. And strength and strength also. Look at the green line and the red line, both are diverging actually. And look at the tip of the green line. Though it is coming down, but the red color one is not going up, so that means it is like a part of the trend. We cannot take that as a convergence. So and look at the strength of the, look at the black line, which indicates the direction and strength of the stock, and it is going up. So what I feel right now, I mean, what I, based on my experience and what based on the guiding points these technical indicators are giving us, I feel the consolidation phase is almost over. I mean, like 75% of the consolidation thing is over. It may continue for the next 10 to 15 days, and after that, it has to move up because except for RSI, MACD is in good position, and it shows as if the stock is is going to do a reversal, and even ADX is also showing like that. ADX and MACD both are in sync with each other, whereas RSI and momentum are in sync with each other. So I feel like normally I give a lot of importance to the momentum stock, but momentum right now is not the tip of the momentum is not showing, is not going down. Actually, it is in parallel with the baseline. So there is an indication, there is a 50-50 kind of stuff that the momentum will go up. Once the momentum goes up, the price automatically will go up. So I think after we will revisit the stock after 15 days. Right now you can do buy and hold strategy. Anyway, if you look at the price trend, price history of the stock is has been continuously going up from this point onwards, from 2014, since 2014. So this is the right time for you to accumulate the stock, and because it is a monopoly stock, no matter what, anyway. And one more good thing is this company is debt free. That's what it has been declared. I mean, that's what it was. We were told as investors. So that is one more good thing. So I'm pretty sure that the stock will increase. At the moment, the session is buy and hold. Okay. So guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.